So hi guys, today is the day. Lee from VAD is on the way with the body kit for the Cayman. What I'm going to do is when he gets here, I'm going to jump out, go and meet him, introduce you all to Lee, and hopefully bring the kit in and check out what's in it, what's involved with fitting it, have a look around it and just get really hands-on with the kit and see how it's going to fit onto the Cayman and where we go from there. Let's go.
Matt is never going to leave me with his camera again.
Hello mate, how are you? I'm good. This is very tinty.
Yes.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Oh yeah,
Nice, I'm alright.
good. Yeah. I'm excited.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. I'm surprised it's fitting there. Wow, that's a lot of
Oh
stuff.
my.
We just got it in.
Oh.
Take out all the
Here, open the door.
little parts. little
So light.
Yeah, not bad, isn't
Getting there,
it?
isn't it?
Yeah.
Getting there slowly.
Isn't it?
And how are you going to keep that colour?
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. Yeah, just stick it over here somewhere.
This is fantastic for filming.
Yeah, I know. That was like its main purpose.
That's alright.
Yeah, walking, mate.
Yeah, it's all good.
Got a mop and the stuff upstairs.
So, what do I do? Unwrap it all and lay it all out?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe not all of it, but a couple of the main bits. Just run through. If you could show us what
I'll
bits
show
are
you.
what.
Yeah, I'll show you.
You can lay some out in front of the car. Wow, there's more bits than I thought there was going to be. What's that? Okay.
I've even got your names as well. I love you so much.
What's that?
Aww.
Bracket.
Chassis mounted bracket. So you basically you
Oh, okay.
just stand on it, just put an angle and stuff.
Oh, okay. That'll be good for the wing.
Yeah. So that's that. Show you how that fits in there as well.
So many bits.
So there.
What's that? Air intake.
Got outtakes from the bumper. It's obviously 9.9. It's like 991R16 rear bumper, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So these are the outtakes we are, not the.
Okay, they go on the side of the rear bumper, don't they?
Yeah.
I've seen it on the pictures, yeah.
Let's have a look.
Got a hand with anything.
Wow, that's mega.
That's so light.
That's crazy.
It's so wide.
Oh, it's deceptively wide.
Oh, it's got the mounting holes drilled in already.
Yeah.
That's handy.
What are those then? Just so.
So you see the holes that are in it?
These are your diffuser
Yeah.
straights as well.
That's so you can see where it
I'll show you
fits.
how all that goes together.
So that'll be that side, right? Yeah, it would,
That's
yeah.
that side.
Oh my.
Look how wide this is as well.
Whoa.
I know.
Oh, that's crazy.
You might as well step over that when you get in stairs.
Huh?
You
No.
have to step over that.
I need to get ladders for my legs.
That's the floor. On the front.
Can you look?
Oh, rear. Oh wow. Yeah.
So what we've got.
So is this carbon as well, or is this plastic?
Yeah.
This is carbon as well.
Yeah. So you've then got stripes to go with it. So obviously these are the stripes.
Okay.
etc. Just obviously done like that so they don't.
I'm going to sit this down there, I think.
Show you all
Mad.
This is going to look absolutely stunning. Have you given yourself a time scale?
Place classic. June. Yeah. Or maybe we'll see if it's before. Sort of attached down here, I think, somewhere.
Turn that this side. Like so.
Yeah, there you go.
splitters. I already put the splitter on this one. So this is
Front bumper.
front bumper splitter.
We go around. Yeah, you want to take the tape off? You want to take this off?
Let's do it. Fix this again.
4 hours later.
Can you keep all of that so I can pop it?
Well, all the bubble wrap. You'd have a great time with this, wouldn't you?
You've got my wife.
Yeah.
How have you got your side off so quick? I can't even get this bit off.
If I lift out.
That's pretty cool.
That's gonna be crazy.
That's pretty good. I was wondering if you use the standard ones of these, so I'll have to keep these.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was debating that. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That is going to look pretty mega.
So light. I'll be intrigued to see the difference between if we take the actual original bumpers off, you know, like the weight.
Huge weight saving, I'd say. Do you want to unveil that? Do you want to take that?
Yeah, around the back, yeah? Sorry, I nearly took you out then.
That's right, well. That's right, well.
Mad.
That's pretty cool. You can see how much wider it's going to be just by looking at like...
It's deceptively wide. It really is deceptive. Oh, you've only got to look at Show's wheel build.
Yeah, we've got the space to do it now, which is different. I love how it's got all like the actual... the moulds in. Like, I was expecting this to just be... you know, like all the actual proper mountains.
It's street use, so you've got to...
Yeah, because
They just want
compact.
the cheapest part. So when you said, oh, I want this in carbon, this is the first ever set in carbon, ever.
Can they just fit on the stock arches, right?
So they just fit basically, they'll just fit on your stock arch. You've obviously got to measure up cut, but they'll just fit in bolts onto your stock arch.
Yes, that's what I mean.
With a little 7mm.
so that
little
sits
7mm
underneath, I
bolt.
guess.
Yeah. And then you've got your own little, you've got a little liner underneath as well. But that's 991. That's 991 cup armour.
Yeah, let's see. It's going to be wicked.
But what I would do there is, you know, the 991
You can get the
vents.
vented ones. Yeah, I have looked at them. But I looked at them on Thingy's one. The guy in Japan. It looked a bit too messy.
That's because that sits over.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, it looks like he'd done a nice job of it.
So what he's done is where that vent,
He's cut into that.
he's basically trimmed into this, which I like.
It looked good, but I think
it
for this, because this is kind of going to be smoothish, I guess. I think it looked a bit too. I'm going to try and keep it sleeker. I'm going to just go with it on there. But I am getting some carbon mirrors as well. I've seen some carbon mirrors you can do. And I did like those carbon headlight things he got in. I don't know if you've seen them that he did. They were like a blank for the headlight.
Blank for the headlight.
And they were carbon. But then I said it to a couple of people, and they were like, "Your car's known for like this. This is a big thing
I
that
think
everyone
this
knows."
This colour scheme here, I think you've only got to look at the pictures, and
Yeah.
I think straight away you know it's your,
Yeah,
yours.
I think that's the thing.
So I think I'd leave that, mate, to be honest.
Yeah, I was thinking the
With
same.
with your little details like that, and I think
Yeah.
the seats are just so cool. Well, you've got obviously a front. You've got a front piece, and you've got a bumper, a front bumper piece as well. So, for example, we've got that Cayman width. So that there would fit a stock. You could bolt that on to a Cayman
Yeah.
straight on. Right? But what we're offering now is obviously because it's got 991 cup half rooms. So obviously, again, something I've never produced in coal is these.
So these are the bits that go
So these are bits that go on from the bumper.
onto here.
Yeah. So that will be sided, won't it? That sided. That side. So that sits and bonds on.
Okay, yeah, so it lines up with that arch
So it'll
extension.
line up with that arch extension like that.
Yeah, nice.
So that's where you get your extra week. So it's a little bit of a cheat, but that's because it's been adapted from 991 Cup R. But it's a nice little cheat. And it looks effective.
Yeah, and you won't see this anyway, will you?
No.
I think I was going to go gloss, because I'm going to blend it. Some
Yeah.
bits that aren't like, so like the rear, I'm gonna keep the bolts in, and they're just going to be flat, but I'm going to do the paint sort of going into it, so there's not such a harsh strip line. So I'm going to get Lee, my paint hose, at Widebody Works, who did all the lights and stuff. I'm going to get him to kind of blend in down into it. So I think obviously the roof and the door, obviously that top of that back arch and probably the tailgate will probably still be black, because there's not a lot really I can do other than skinning that, but then it's going to be a bit messy. So I was just going to get that to blend down into black.
Yeah.
Put it on, measure the line, and just
Put it on, measure the line, and just obviously remember that you're going obviously a lot wider, and obviously on air as well, so
yeah.
you just don't
You
want
need
it,
to have the clearance.
you don't want it bottoming out on this.
Yeah.
When you, and what are you doing? You still going with the tuck lock even when it's wide, or are you going?
It's probably going to sit similar to this, I guess. But I'm going to, so I won't have, it probably won't sit like that, it'll probably be in a bit because I'm getting R888 R's on it.
What size?
Massive, like, I've measured them already, I've already got the sizes. Hang on. They're the biggest one they do in the UK.
9 to an inch. Okay. 'Cause I know the largest they do, which I can't get, which is 345 3019 reels, which they only do stateside.
So they're the same as what I did on the Cayman, same size that's on the Cayman.
305 3019.
I looked
Oh,
at,
Cayman?
not the Cayman, the,
No,
yeah.
305 3019.
Yeah, so I'm doing that on the rears,
Okay.
and on the front is a 285 35 or a 295 30.
I'd go 295 30 and 305.
That's what I was thinking, yeah. Because it's still going to have a little bit of stretch. It'll probably be similar to this, because I looked at a photo that I had of the wheel off the 997, the rear.
Yeah.
I went, scrolled back through my archives of images to find which one we used, because I couldn't remember what tyre it was. And luckily I had a photo of the side of it with 305. I was like, yes. And he said that's the biggest one they do. So
Well, that was 13 and 19, if I remember right, as well, wasn't it?
yeah. Which is going to be similar to this, I guess. I'm hoping anyway. I think if you're going to have it carbon, I think you need to. You may as well just buy it in FRP if you're going to paint it, in my opinion.
Oh, wow.
This is Stacey's first kind of
That's
experience.
basically where that will sit.
Have you actually seen one like that with it offering up against it before? 'Cause obviously you've seen his one. Because there's that one on your website with the pictures, isn't there? Wow, God, it is so much wider.
But that, if you remember shows sits there like that.
Yeah, there's an angle. That's because his light's a different shape. 718 lights, they're thinner here. So his light will come around like that. Wow, that's wider than I thought it was.
Really?
Yeah, like on the pictures it doesn't look like, considering that rear wheel's an 11J rear.
This is where you can tell usually how wide things are when they sit around the light.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool.
Nice, isn't it?
Not bad tip. So guys, Lee has just gone. Can't thank him enough for all of his help and supplying the kit. It's fucking crazy. Look at it. Carbon fibre RSR widebody kit. It's going to be the first kind of road-going carbon kit with everything carbon fibre on it. So the whole front bumper's carbon. I mean, look at it. I'm absolutely buzzing. I've been waiting for this for so long. So we're going to be building this car over the next couple of months. fitting it all in here, building it all, then it's going to go off and be painted. So you might see that, you might not, depends on how much I want to show you of the build. But we'll be showing you and documenting bits and pieces, what's going on, how we're doing it, what the plan is. And then yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing. I've been waiting for this for so long. You know when you've kind of had a secret in your head for so long that you've been doing and you haven't kind of been able to tell anyone. So really excited to bring this to you guys and show you what we're going to be doing, showing what the plans are, because I've had lots of people asking to shoot the car, lots of people asking me kind of, what are you doing basically. Haven't really been able to say anything, but now I can tell you the car is being carbon fibre wide bodied here at Shout HQ. We'll be bringing you all the updates of the car and hopefully launching it later this year. So thanks for watching, and yeah, buzzing, couldn't be happier. Subscribe if you want to see more, give the video a like. Didn't say that last video, I hate doing this shit, but it helps. But yeah, stay tuned for a crazy build on the Cayman 981. Thanks guys.